Hi everybody, welcome back. Today is a viewer request eye look. This was actually inspired by Stephanie Nicole. So eyes are primed, let's get into this. I've laid down a heavy amount of translucent powder because you're going to get some fallout. Using the ABH Prisim Palette. First thing I'm going to do is go into the shade Lure, and we're going to run that throughout the crease / transition area. Next, we're going to go into the shade Parallel, and we're going to pop that into the deep part of the crease and build this up. Next, I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend that. Then we're going to go back into Parallel again and further deepen that. Then a small tap of Lure on the blending brush and blend away. Now we're going to go ahead and take Obsidian, and we're going to lay that down on the outer third and the inner third of our lid, and we're going to build this up slow. Going to dip back into Parallel again and then blend that outer edge so we don't have a harsh line. Then continue building up Obsidian. Remember what I said about fallout? Of course, my inner corner. Then we're going to go back in and blend that one more time. Now I'm moving on to some NYX glitter glue. I'm going to paint that on the center of my eyelid. Now we're going to go ahead and take Throne, using our fingers to apply it. I'm going to press that all over where I just put the glitter glue. Now I'm going to take a little bit more Obsidian just to blend out the edges of that. And just when you thought you were done blending, let's blend it out some more. And now some black liner and some Parallel to smudge that out. And a little bit of Lure to smudge that out some more. Now I'm taking some Merry Luminizer, going to put that on the tear duct and the brow bone. Now it's time for some lashes, and voila! As always, I want to thank you, of course, for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.